You want some good stuff.
Yeah.
All right, this is why my family's taking care of you. I have one rule here. Either your family or your food. Which are you?
Yeah. Oh God, it's coming after me.
Come on now, right this way. Get your asses in here.
This is all the people they consumed, guys.
Are y'all ready to become birds?
Force the turbo, lady.
I like it.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to thescarefactor.com. Today we are here at Black Orchard Haunted House over here in Shelbyville, Kentucky, just east of Louisville. They opened up exclusively here in March for the Fear Expo Ultimate Haunt Tour, so we are super excited to get in here and see what they've been working on here this winter, see if they got any new changes coming up for 2023. Stick with us here. We're going to take you guys through the haunt with us. We did run into some folks from Factory of Terror up in Canton, Ohio, so we're super excited to run into them and go through the haunt with them. Without further ado, let's go see if we can get some scares.
Just a second.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you need a minute with them?
No, the t-shirt.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm going to give you the instructions on how to get over here safe. Come on.
Okay, safely.
Okay, so
That's
there's
a
grass
good
right
idea.
there, there's mud right there.
Yeah,
The
we're
grass
gonna
is
go for
not
the
mud,
grass.
So, yes.
Okay.
Go on. There's more right there.
Okay.
Grass.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Got it.
Slippery.
Okay.
Slipper in the minter stick.
Slippery.
Slicker in the minter stick.
Slicker than.
Got a
Oh.
minute dick.
Hi.
What do we got here?
Oh shit. What is that?
Oh, where's my special blend? You want some?
Yeah. Does that got some alcohol in it? Oh.
Oh,
I like these
we
birds.
can only go to 5.
Oh, and that one. Oh.
All right, this way. We'll take real good care of you in my meat shop.
Okay. Step. Oh.
So you had sausage links this big?
I have.
That's what he has. Wait, she's cheating on me? You know what, bitch? You want something good. You want something tasty. You want some human flesh. You want some good stuff.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
All right, this is why my family's taking care of you. I have one rule here. Either your family or your food. Which are you?
Family.
Good answer. All right, this is why my family's taking care of you. And watch out, they'll you meet my meat.
Okay. Family.
Oh, welcome.
Hi there.
How can I help you?
We'll take some fresh dinner.
I got head. I got toes.
Oh.
What would you like? I think you'd last me all winter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I ain't got much on me.
Ribs?
Yeah, ribs.
Yeah, I like
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
It smells like a real barn in here because it is. Oh shit, there's a big fucking hole right there. What the hell is that? Woo! That's a good spot for that. Yeah! I love him. Yeah. Oh fuck! Shit, yeah!
Let's go.
It's going great.
You make some nice hay.
Yeah, maybe? Okay. Oh.
What, you don't want to stay so I can make fame out of you?
No!
What?
I would rather eat you. Sorry. He's looking at us. It is so cool in here. I freaking love it. Look at all this stuff. It's awesome. It looks like we can go real fast on that tractor.
I mean, we can go pretty like 5 miles back.
What the fuck? Oh, the
we
door.
went past the door.
I'm bad at doors.
I think it's an entrance.
Yes. Uh-oh. What is she eating down there? Uh-oh. Hell.
Chicken.
Oh. Oh, God. It's coming after me. What the hell? I didn't do it. Stop.
It's a baby chicken.
What in the hell? Don't piss her off.
Come on now, right this way. Get your asses in here.
Okay.
Got something nice for
This
y'all.
is
Please
beautiful.
have a seat anyway.
Oh, God.
Oh my. Yeah, you running off on that escalator.
You picked the right seat.
Very quickly. Go on now. Lots of chairs with no asses in them. That's right.
He's not very happy.
At the start of all things, it is believed that the birds were closest to the humans. However, in times of grace, personal relationship with their lives. Reject your possessions. Share this physical bond.
Consume!
Consume. I hope he's not consuming us. He is, isn't he?
Come on now, get your asses.
They're totally consuming us. Oh, here's all of the belongings. This is all the people they consumed, guys. Believe everything you hear of this barn. And the birds.
That's why you gotta get.
Oh God, I don't. We'll pick this way. Birds. More birds. Crosses. At least they're holy.
Welcome, welcome.
Oh, hi.
Come on in.
All right.
Are y'all ready to become birds?
Yes.
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, repeat after me. In the name of the feather.
In the name of the feather.
In the name of the bait.
In the name of the bait.
In the name of the talon.
In the name of the talon.
I am cleansed.
I am cleansed.
All right. Who wants to go first?
Yep. Oh, I feel it. I feel it through my body.
It's coursing through my veins.
Welcome to the family, my friends.
Thank
You're
you.
one of us now. Now fly, little birds, fly.
Fly, birdies.
We fly. Nope. You didn't join.
They don't care who you
You
are.
didn't join.
You don't care. You don't care.
We do care. You should join. They won't kill you.
Happened to her.
Uh-oh, where'd she go? I'm sorry. We can't help you.
No. You don't.
Oh, there's a guy in there trying to get her. Oh, shit. Sorry. Fly. Ah! Good God. I forgot about the big saw. I love that. Wow. I forgot about it. Yeah, I hear some kind of mechanics moving somewhere. What the hell? I think something might have growled. Hello? Is anyone in here?
Come on, Simon. Don't worry. I'm the coach doula. Come on, I need some help delivering this baby.
Baby!
Come on.
Oh, hell.
Push!
Oh,
Push! Push, you worthless piece of shit! Push! I got it!
You got it!
It's the baby!
It's the bird! Fly!
Oh, bird!
It's adorable!
Shit!
Oh! I like the bird.
Chases you down the hallway. I wanna take your baby.
Oh no, I don't have any babies.
That's
You
not
can
very
have
nice
her.
at all.
You can have our baby. Well, I think we might have walked into something that we didn't want to. That looks like my fat leg.
The pretty people.
Oh, the pretty people.
Are you the pretty people?
I don't know. I
No,
think
we're
I'm
ugly
family.
people.
Oh,
See,
okay.
I tried to tell you.
See?
No.
Those are the pretty people.
I
Wow.
know exactly where you're going. Come
What
here.
is she doing?
He's the pretty.
Oh.
Oh my God. You're replacing him.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Just a second.
Oh, shit. That looks like it's real metal. Damn. I think we're gonna go this way. We're losing Dale. Dale's gonna get hung on the wall. Don't trust it. Don't trust things that look real. It's not a good idea. Uh-oh. I see him. Crap. Uh-oh. And he's coming straight towards us. Get in the road. They get so close to those walls. I like it. Woo. We are flying away free. We're cleansed and we're free.